I just made a workbench with nothing but some sawhorses and a few basic tools. It's all basic construction lumber. The key to it are these structural lag screw alternative things that make this bench so fast to put together, and it's sturdy as all get out. I couldn't pass up sharing this one with you guys. Sometimes making a bragging rights workbench just isn't necessary. I put some hand power into it just using hand tools, but even cutting down the bench top with a handsaw doesn't take as much willpower as willingly taking my dog for a walk every morning, knowing that he's going to take exactly one more dump than the number of bags I brought with me. A good vise is an absolute must, and I'll definitely be going with a line of dog holes because, believe it or not, I like to make my life easier. And rubbing on some tung oil to finish this bad boy off. Stay tuned to see it in action.